Hello there. My name is Vijay Shupuche, and I'm your fellow pharmacist coming up with a new, very interesting news that may be something which may be relevant to each one of you in your daily life. Uh, Most and especially for the females, actually. Is your makeup safe? And that's the question mark that has been put for this specific news, which speaks about government may soon ban mercury-based cosmetics in India, actually. The mercury-based products like skin lightening creams and eye makeup pose serious health risks, prompting India to consider a full ban to align with the global norms. Now, what is this mercury-based cosmetics and why there is suddenly a discussion about a complete ban by DCGI over the mercury-based cosmetics? Initially, I thought of this as a normal news, which is coming up with a question mark. But then when I tried to go through a bit details, actually, then I realized the significance of this. And that's the reason I'm here today with this news of the risk posed by the mercury-based cosmetics. The government of India is considering a ban on mercury-based cosmetics, which is posed a recommendation from DCGS subcommittee. And this has been cited by Mint and through some official documents as this news is published on Business Standard on 2nd of July. This move actually aims to identify and phase out mercury containing product. Remember, India's cosmetic market is rupees 20 billion, and which also includes the online platforms and the intent is to make this industry align with the international safety standards. Where is the use of mercury in cosmetics? Ever wonder what's really inside your favorite cosmetic product? You might want to have a closer look at the label, because the toxic metal mercury could be hiding in the eyeliner or a skin cream. Mercury isn't just harmful to the skin, it's a health hazard that can seep into your bloodstream and can actually cause long term damage as such. What do the current rules say then about the mercury in makeup? Currently, as per the Indian regulations, they permit limited mercury use. According to Rule 39, 5 of the Cosmetic Rules 2020, cosmetic meant for the eye area may contain up to 0.007% mercury as a preservative. For everything else, it should not exceed 1 part per million, actually 1 ppm, that's what we call. However, now the DCGS subcommittee is advocating a stricter standard, a complete ban on the manufacture, import, export of cosmetic containing more than 1 ppm of mercury, which means the one with 70 parts per million, that is 70 ppm cosmetics, which are allowed in the for the area, may come into trouble later. This would bring in line with the Minamata Convention, which seeks to eliminate mercury from consumer products globally. How the DCGI or the CDSCO is trying to implement it? This, as per the news, is through the self-declaration that the use of mercury, that has been that they have to self-declare the manufacturers as such, and they would be given a strict deadline for phasing out the mercury as such. How are the cosmetic brands reacting? Lakme, Maybelline, Sugar, Nykaa, some companies have stated their position. L'Oreal India told Mint that it does not intentionally use mercury in any products worldwide, and that its offerings meet the highest safety standards as such. One of the government official noted, whenever there is a casual approach in handling toxic substances, the risk to human life and environment is high. The smarter path is to either properly manage toxic substances or stop using them entirely as such. Now, I was curious to know what is the position by the regulators globally, and I came across this very specific article by US FDA, which speaks about mercury poisoning linked to skin products. Actually, this is like a official document by the US FDA for the consumers, basically, about mercury poisoning linked to the skin products as such. All this mentions about the skin lightening products, specifically skin creams, beauty and antiseptic soaps, lotion that contain the mercury. What are the dangers of mercury? Irritability, skin irritability, shyness, tremors, changes in vision or hearing, memory problem, depression, numbness, and tingling in hands. These are the ones which are officially on the US FDA website as well. A very interesting fact I could find is the page which has the list of products which FDA provides as actually the content of mercury in, I would say, years 2019 to 2022. I don't know whether this is updated or not, but then we have some of these products from globally, from Mexico, Japan, France, Pakistan, even US, Togo. Uh, and then they mention the ppm quantity which they are using. So if you look at these kind of products, something like BB Special Cream CCM Yellow or BB Special Cream, they are actually using 3,000 to 8,000 ppm of mercury, wherein as per the rules 1 ppm or 70 ppm as per the rules as of now, which is allowed in India. And so these are some of the products. So I think this move is something which is very significant for the cosmetic industry as well as for the consumers. You can check out for the mercury content on the product if at all it is mentioned on your product, or else check it online as well if the manufacturer or the website of that particular brand label is providing the mercury content of the product. I hope this is a news which is something which would be relevant for you, especially for those who are using the cosmetics, eyeliners, anti-aging creams, or skincare creams as such. Uh, just follow us on YouTube, Pharma Literati YouTube channel, to get similar contents which is really relevant for our daily life, all for the consumers, the pharmacy students, the pharmaceutical industry, and the entire pharmacy profession. Thank you.